Hi everybody, it's New Jersey Garden. I'm actually in Florida for a few days. It's early May 2019 and I am just walking around the Naples Botanical Garden, and I just wanted to say happy spring to everybody and welcome to my channel if you're new. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing, and thank you to everybody for being so patient with me. Last summer I had not done a lot of videos. I think the last time I did a video was back in June of last year, and the reason for that was over the winter of 2018 I ended up getting diagnosed with Lyme disease, and I'll do another video on that. And it took a really long time to get diagnosed. I may have had it for many years, but I had some pretty strange symptoms. So I want to do a video on that another time, because I know a lot of gardeners are exposed to Lyme disease, and with the ticks in a lot of the states in the US, we have like a big tick problem in New Jersey especially. So I want to do a video on that another time, but I just wanted to say that I started the garden. I was gardening last spring, and then I got bit again by what looked to me like a little spider rather than a tick, and I got something called babesia, which is a Lyme co-infection. It's kind of like a malaria type bacteria. So I had antibiotics for Lyme and then the babesia, and I was just kind of scared to go in the garden. So I kind of stopped gardening from like June until now. So I'm just going to be really cautious and spray my clothes with tick repellent and wear long sleeves and pants and just pray that I don't get bit again. And I just wanted to say that's where I was. I was just avoiding the garden, but I'm back and just enjoying the Naples Botanical Garden, and I will show you some shots of the garden today, and then when I get back in a few days I'll do some videos of my home garden. Thank you everybody, and have a great day. This is a really beautiful plant. Does anybody know what this is? I don't see a tag on it, and I'm trying to figure out what it is. By the way, in New Jersey we're in growing zone 6, and I think this is probably zone 10. We're in southwest Florida. So it's usually like 35 degrees warmer down in this part of Florida than where we are in New Jersey. So there's a lot of tropical plants here at the Naples Botanical Garden, and a lot of flowers I just don't know the names of. So if anyone out there knows what this is, feel free to post. And I'll show some more pictures and some short videos of the garden.